I'm a plastic surgeon. I'm trained in India and in America. Then now I'm concentrating only on the poor people who have sustained burn deformities. I'm not doing any more cosmetic, but nobody is caring the burn patients. Therefore, I have sidelined only to burn patients because there are a lot more here. We have around 10,000 patients with deformities waiting for their turn, and each patient has multiple burn deformities. Say example, both hands, all the 10 fingers, neck, ear, lips, eyelids especially. Therefore, now I am working exclusively on burn deformities, and that too free of cost. They don't pay me anything. Once I was experimenting on some girl. One American told me, you keep your patients as guinea pigs. That hurted me a lot. Then I started experimenting on my own body. I'm making an external ear in my body itself. I'm making a nose in my body, within my body itself. And that technique can be so popular. Why not create tissues in your own body? You don't need air conditioning. You don't need tissue culture. You do not need placenta cells. You don't need stem cells. Your body can be used as a laboratory. I'm creating a pinna in my calf, left calf. I will be able to show it to everybody. A pinna made from my own tissue and under my skin. I took cartilage from my dearest working girl, Anita James. I took some part of the cartilage from her pinna, made it into small pieces, mixed some cartilage of my own, sandwich it here, and then we put it inside in the skin underneath. The tissue fluid fed the cartilage. It became a sheet. That sheet is to be grafted by the skin. No point of rejection. Take tissue from your body, give it a shape and implant. I'm proud of it. Before going to US, I'll take it out and show it to the world. External pinna stuck here. Plastic surgery is a creative art, and that creativity can be bypassed to any science. And in busy time, I do plastic surgery. In my free time, I work with plants and trees. That's my outlet. And this is good, to work with nature. What is wrong in it? The valley which has been created by nature in thousands of years. And this spot is visible for about 5 miles all along. And these trees were of just 6 inches cuttings of the trees. I'm taking care of these trees for last 30 years. It's not easy to mold them. And I'm very happy to see this is world's biggest tree architecture. Topiary, usually they use hedges and creepers, but trying on trees is not easy. It's very time consuming. You have to wait for the trees to grow, keep patience, and keep working on it. Half done is better than not done at all. If you keep on thinking, I can do this, I can do this, I can do this, nothing doing, start doing it day one.